So here is a Kailh Gold. Yes, this is a clicky switch, as you can see. Let me show you. Can you feel the click or not? Okay. So definitely you can feel the click. I know that you can feel the click, 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 click. So yeah, I know you can feel the click. So now let me just demonstrate this switch in the keyboard. Okay. Let me just take out for example the function key is better. Let me just take out just an example. Okay. Okay. Here we go. And then this is a clicky. The bottom force is 60 gram, and then the normal operating force is like 50 gram. Total is like 3.5 millimeter travel. And then okay, here we go. Okay. And then let me just insert it. It can't. I'm surprised why it can't. Oh, the pin is bent. I'm sorry, the one of the pin is bent. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Let me do it again. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, now it's fine. Let me. Okay. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. I also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.